Hi guys, welcome back to Kuwait Survival Day 28 and Day 29. I woke up early today and decided to make one of my favorite breakfasts, masala dosa. There's nothing better than starting the day with a fresh homemade meal. Let's begin today's vlog. Guys, just look at today's weather. Even though it's Friday, the heat is still unbelievable. You can see so many cars parked outside because it's the weekend. Most people are relaxing indoors with the air conditioner on. During Kuwait's summer, staying outside for a long time is really difficult because the temperature gets extremely high. Now I'm watching the Kannada movie The Rise of Ashoka. I'm really enjoying it so far. If you're looking for a good movie to watch, I definitely recommend giving it a try. Guys, it's cleaning time! My room has become really messy over the past few days. So today, I'm giving everything a proper cleanup. A clean room doesn't just look nice, it also makes you feel fresh, relaxed, and more productive. First, I'm arranging all my things in their proper places and removing anything that's unnecessary. After that, I'm dusting the shelves, wiping the furniture, and cleaning the floor to remove all the dirt and dust. Next, I'm washing my sofa covers and bed sheets because they collect dust very quickly, especially in Kuwait's dry weather. Clean bed sheets make sleeping much more comfortable, and fresh sofa covers make the room look completely different. I also believe cleaning is a good habit because it keeps our surroundings hygienic and helps us stay healthy. When our room is organized, it's much easier to find things and we feel less stressed. I usually try to clean my room once every week so that it never becomes too untidy. Even though cleaning takes some time and effort, the results are always worth it. Walking into a neat and fresh room after finishing all the work feels really satisfying. If you stay alone like me, regular cleaning is very important because everything depends on you. So today, I'm spending some time making my room fresh, clean, and comfortable again. Everything is done, guys. Now it's time to hit the gym. I'm on my way to the gym now. There are around 5 different gyms here in Khaitan, so people have plenty of options depending on their budget and fitness goals. This gym has a beautiful black themed interior that gives it a premium and modern look. As soon as you enter, you can feel the energetic atmosphere. The walls, ceiling, and equipment are designed with black and dark grey colors, making the place look stylish and motivating. Bright LED lights highlight the workout areas and create a professional fitness environment. Now I'm cutting an apple. I usually cut it into small pieces and remove the seeds, but I keep the skin because it contains fiber and I like the taste. I always cut the apple just before eating because if it's left outside for too long, it starts turning brown and loses some of its fresh crunch. This is my favorite protein powder, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. It gives good nutrition, although this flavor isn't my favorite. If you want a better taste, I recommend the milk chocolate flavor. I usually mix it with my oats for a protein-rich breakfast. Today's weather is almost the same as always, very hot. But since it's the weekend, there are fewer cars on the roads. Many people are at home relaxing while others are working. Kuwait feels much quieter and more peaceful today. Now I'm washing the rice. As South Indians, rice is a big part of our daily meals. Many people think eating a lot of rice is healthy, but the real secret is eating a balanced meal. A healthy plate should include protein, fiber, vegetables, and a moderate amount of carbohydrates. I usually eat around 100 grams of rice per meal, along with chicken, eggs, or vegetables. A balanced diet helps us stay healthy, energetic, and fit. Today I'm washing all my clothes. This is my Media top load washing machine with a 10 kilogram capacity. I bought it from Best Al Yusufai for 80 Kuwaiti dinars. I wash everything in it: clothes, bed sheets, sofa covers, and towels. Personally, I prefer top load washing machines because I can load and unload clothes while standing. With front load machines, you have to bend down every time, which I don't find as comfortable. I've kept some eggs for boiling because I'm planning to make egg curry today. Egg curry is one of my favorite dishes. I also love egg roast and vegetable omelets. They're simple, tasty, and packed with protein. The rice is cooking now. At home, we usually eat boiled rice. Many people prefer polished white rice because it's softer and tastier. But boiled or unpolished rice generally contains more fiber and nutrients. Eating whole grains along with a balanced diet can help improve digestion and keep you feeling full for longer. For today's meal, I'm cooking Sadia chicken sausages along with mixed vegetables. I usually buy frozen mixed vegetables because they are quick, convenient, and very easy to cook after work. I also bought a 2-liter water tracker bottle from Grand Hyper for 2.5 Kuwaiti dinars. It helps me keep track of my daily water intake and reminds me to stay hydrated throughout the day. That's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow in the next Kuwait survival vlog. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye.